We're making apple mac and cheddar, brats and wursts. We're gonna start with apples, of course. So I took 3 apples from our couple of apple trees up the hill, actually. And all I do with these guys is quarter them. You peel them with a little vegetable peeler. And then we cut them into quarters and cut the core away. And dice them up. We're only gonna par cook the pasta about halfway. So like 6-7 minutes. This is Italian macaroni, so it's really sturdy and it cooks for 12 to 15. So I'm gonna get that going because we're gonna undercook it because it'll finish cooking in the oven with our mac sauce. For John, he needs more than just mac and cheese for his dinner. So we have a big pile of the best in wursts and brats. We have some veal style wurst, and we have some bratwurst, smoked bratwurst. Now, back here, what I did was I simmered the wursts and brats in a little bit of water. Then I took them and let them brown a bit in the pan so the casing would be crisp. And then in the same pan, I added an onion and a bay leaf, and that's cooking out now with some butter. Then we're gonna add sauerkraut, and this sauerkraut comes already spiced. It has caraway seed in it. If yours doesn't, add some caraway seed. This one has caraway seed and a little juniper. Delicious. So we're gonna heat this back up and nest the brats and wursts right back down in there and serve that with some mustard. We're gonna melt a few tablespoons of butter in a large deep skillet to get our sauce going. So here's the apples and onions cooking out in butter with a little salt and nutmeg, fine black pepper or white pepper, your choice. Now I'm gonna add that smoked cinnamon, or you could just use regular ground cinnamon. It smells so good. A little sprinkle, you only need about 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is light brown sugar. Some fresh thyme, a good packed tablespoon. Fresh thyme. Now we're going to sprinkle in our flour, about 4 tablespoons. And then stir to cook the flour out a bit. We're now going to add our cider, about a half a cup or so. Good cloudy cider. And about 1 cup of chicken broth and 2 cups of half and half. Now we're gonna let that thicken up a bit. Okay, time to drain the pasta. And now we're gonna add our 2 bricks of shredded cheese, cheddar cheese. Melt that in. And now we're going to take our drained macaroni, undercooked. We're gonna put it back into the pot. So take all of your sauce and apples, pour it over your macaroni. Here's how she goes. Apple mac, and then on top, crushed Cheez-Its or cheesy crackers of your choice. A little grated parm, and a little parsley. Then in the oven they'll go. This is our apple mac with crispy Cheez-It top, our brats and wursts.